Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review VSL Creator, which is a software product launched by Brett Ingram and Mo Latif. Now, VSL Creator is releasing today on 3rd of May at 10 AM EST. So we are straight onto the sales page. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you the member survey of VSL Creator, and I'm going to be sharing with you, most importantly, the software demo of VSL Creator. Then I'm going to be sharing with you what are the upgrades, upsells of VSL Creator, what are the features inside each of those upsells, OTOs, and what are the pricing point of each of those OTOs, and are they really worth to get with the front end right now, or you can get it later on. So I'm going to be discussing a lot about that stuff. So that is something I'm going to be discussing in this video. Plus, I've got a bunch of bonuses for you. If you look right through this video, I have listed out over 42 bonuses for you, especially during this launch period for VSL Creator. So if you check back all the bonuses, you would find that these are high quality softwares which I'm going to be giving you if you decide to pick up a VSL Creator through the link right through this video. And the most important thing which I think most of the customers look out for is a discount coupon code for VSL Creator. So I've got a discount coupon code of not $1, $2, $3, $5. I've got a discount coupon code of $30. Okay, see, if you see in the description, I've got a $30 off discount coupon code. So the pricing is like $67. You can apply my discount coupon code for VSL Creator, and you can literally save almost 50%. You get the price going to be slashed to $37 by using my discount coupon code for VSL Creator. So make sure before you go to the sales page, make sure to check out the description and make sure to grab that VSL Creator discount coupon code and apply it on the checkout page. Okay. So let's talk about VSL Creator and what it is. Now, if you're kind of a guy who's really looking forward for product launching, and if you don't know how to create your sales video, then this software is going to literally help you in a really, really good way. Okay, so basically this software does is it's going to create a sales video, a VSL, which we called for you on complete hands-free. You don't need to have any techy stuff. You don't need to talk. You don't need to get in front of camera. This software actually does it for you. Whatever text you type into the box, it's gonna bring it in front of you, and it's gonna create a unique kind of a VSL for your product launch. Okay, so let me show you the software demo of VSL Creator so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Huh? So let's see the software demo of VSL Creator.
I'm going to show you how this revolutionary VSL system creates amazing sales videos that can attract leads and make massive sales. And you can even get paid selling videos to others too. Let me show you how this works. So I'm in the VSL Creator app. The fastest way to get started is to use the included done for you templates. Just click on Project and then select the template you want to load, edit whatever you want to edit, and click Produce to make the video. You're done in minutes or even seconds. Now, if you want to create a VSL from scratch, or you have your own script, you're going to start by picking a theme. And you can always change themes, or you can edit any aspect of it later. Then you're just going to upload, or you're going to paste in your text script. Click OK, and then VSL Creator does all the hard work for you. It creates perfectly formatted slides for your entire script in just seconds. Now, you can just stop there and create your video and be done, but there's a lot more that you can do too. You can change themes in one click to give your video a completely different look and feel, and you can even create your own custom themes. Or you can change any element on any and every slide, so you can change the background. You can add or change the text. You can change the font. You can change the color. You can change the size. And you can even change the kinetic effects. You can add or change images. buttons, effects, overlays, socials, and shapes. And you can add or change a background music soundtrack. You can adjust the volume, loop the playback, and even add a fade in and a fade out. And you can add a text-to-speech voice track, or you can even record your own. And you can add or change the transitions between slides also. Just pick one, click on it, click OK, and it adds it to your project. Editing and tuning your video is super easy also. Just use the drag and drop canvas to move things around anywhere you want them to be. And you can adjust them, you can move them around, you can reposition them, you can resize them. So you can make your slides look exactly the way you want them to be every single time, really, really simply. And with the drag and drop timeline, you can create the perfect flow for your slide. So you click on play, you can preview it.
To make big time sales online.
And then you can adjust the timing of each and every element on your slide just by clicking and dragging to where you want it to appear. When you've tuned it, you can do it in real time, then just click the preview, and you can see exactly the flow of your slide. When you're done, just click produce to create your stunning video, and you're done. Just look at how awesome the videos are you can make with VSL Creator. You can use these videos for yourself, or you can even sell them for 100% profit. No need to pay video editors and producers or waste months learning how to use After Effects. VSL Creator is the easiest and fastest way to make sales videos. Videos that usually take days or even weeks and cost a lot of money now take minutes with zero experience. Create uber fast studio quality VSLs to sell your products and services. VSL Creator does all the work for you in just a few clicks. No video, design, or technical skills are required. So if you want to start getting results, VSL Creator is the perfect software for you to make money. I'm going to show you how this revolution.
Okay, so that was the software demo for VSL Creator. I hope you have liked it. Now let's come to some of the features of the front end in detail and the pricing point of the front end as well as the OTO information. Okay, so the first front end product is a VSL Creator Gold, and you're going to be getting the commercial license. That means you can provide this as a services to your clients, creating a sales video for them, and you can charge them a hefty amount, or you can charge them a subscription like a monthly subscription, that kind of fee. Okay, so the VSL Creator Gold is ultimate drag and drop sales video maker with one-click automated slide creator, a background theme designer, a kinetic animation effects, audio and voice recorder, text-to-speech, one-click perfect sync effects and timeline editing with zero monthly cost and zero conversions fees. Okay, zero technical skills needed. Okay, so these are some of the features with the front end, and the pricing for that is $67. But with my discount coupon code for VSL Creator, that is going to be $30 off. You can get VSL Creator only during the launch period at $37 only. So make sure to grab it with my discount coupon code so that you can really get it at the really good deal. Okay. Now coming to the OTO number one, which is a platinum commercial, which is at $49. With platinum, the VSL Creator Platinum is your advanced animation video maker that will come with 5 done-for-you VSL templates, 10 done-for-you themes, 50 transition animations, and 50 visual animations elements, plus 200 moving characters, 140 animated effects, callouts, CTA buttons, and lower thirds. Okay, so these are the features with the first OTO. You can pause this video right here and you can check out all the information about the first OTO. The price is going to be like $49. OTO number 2 is a diamond commercial, which is at $67. The VSL Creator Diamond comes with unlimited live action videos, a fully featured dynamic video maker, 30 studio quality done for you niche templates, fully editable and brandable, audio voice recorder, kinetic text animation, kinetic text transition animation, and many more. Okay, so these are the features of the second OTO at $67. Please feel free to pause this video and read out all the information over here. The next OTO is going to be Titanium Commercial, which is going to be at $47. The VSL Creator Titanium gives you 40 studio quality done for your niche marketing templates with images and video, PowerPoint style videos, 1,000 transparent images, 5,000 photos and images, GIFs and animation ready with kinetic animation, text effects, and 0 technical skills needed. Okay, so more and more features are added as we progress towards the upsells. The price is $47 for OTO number 3. OTO number 4 is Agency Commercial, which is at $49, $49.95. That is almost $50. VSL Creator Agency comes with developer, agency, outsourcer, and virtual assistant, that is VA license, plus done for you local niche video templates, local agency portfolio done for you script with full training and videos included. Okay, these are the features with the OTO number 4, which is the Agency Commercial at $49.95. Okay, pause this video and read out all the information over here. Okay, so these were the information about the OTOs, upgrades of VSL Creator. Don't worry, I'm going to be putting all this information right below this video also, so you can read out all the information. All right. Okay, so which OTO which I would recommend, that depending on what kind of business you are running in and how often you launch a product, it depends on that. If you're launching a product like 2 launches in a month, then I would recommend the first, which has some more features, and also it has some more features over here in Diamond Commercial also, depending on whatever product you're launching. But if you're kind of a person who is just getting started to launch his first product, then I would recommend the front end is more than enough. You can check out the conversions, you can check out how your VSL is getting response from the visitors, and if you like it, then you can go through the upgrade. So for now, it depends on what kind of a business level you are. If you are more advanced and need more features for your own business, then of course you need to get some OTOs also. Okay, but the front end is good to go with the newbies, in my opinion. Okay, so coming to the bonuses section, please make sure to look out right below this video for all the bonuses I have listed. There are 42 bonuses if you get VSL Creator through the link right below this video. And the bonuses are going to be preloaded on the receipt page. So when you get a receipt from jvz.com, you would see a green button which would say affiliate bonus. You just have to click that button and you will get access to all my 42 bonuses. Okay, so any questions if you have about VSL Creator, please feel free to comment below, and don't forget to grab the discount coupon code. I don't know if the discount coupon code will be valid after the launch ends, after the 5 days from here. So make sure you get it during the launch period. So because if the launch ends and if the discount coupon code expires, then you would have to pay $67 instead of $37. Okay, so it's gonna be like $30 more. Okay, so make a wise decision and get VSL Creator through the link right below this video, along with the bonuses and discount coupon code, and let me know how you like this review video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next review video. Okay, thank you so much guys, and have a great day. Bye bye.